Okay. So yesterday we have done mm, uh, chapter, the chief ki dawat, and that one was like that one person is there, Shamnath. He is inviting one person, he's the chief of his company to his house, and they're so much concerned about how they are arrangement and all. In the last, they had a problem like how they will manage with the mother, because mother is old age and old fashioned and narrow minded. I mean, not narrow minded, but it is like little means not updated according to the market. So like they are very much concerned, so they are thinking what to do. So the argument is going on between the husband and wife, the wife is telling we should send her to her friend's house, and then finally they decided like they will send her to his coterie. Before only she has to finish all the tasks. But now the another problem, if she will sleep, then what will be the like she will start snoring, and then how they will manage. So it will be very awkward, like they will listen the snoring sound. And also now they are discussing he is telling Shamnath is telling I will tell her not to sleep, and just keep on sitting. So the lady is telling, और जो बस सो गई तो डिनर का क्या मालूम कब तक चले, and if she will sleep, so we don't know till what time the dinner will be there. And 11 बजे तक तो तुम drink ही करते रहते हो, means you keep on drinking till 11 o'clock. So after that if dinner will start, so till that time it is very difficult for everyone to stop her from sleeping. So Shamnath कुछ खीज उठे, हाथ झटकते हुए बोले. Shamnath little he got irritated, and हाथ झटकते हुए बोले, he keep he just uh, did like hand oh, what should I do, like this way he told. And अच्छी भली ये भाई के पास जा रही थी, like it was very good she was going to my brother. तुमने यूं ही खुद अच्छा बनने के लिए बीच में टांग अड़ा दिया, and but you only for becoming the good you interrupted in the middle, like that he is telling to the wife. वाह, तो माँ और बेटे की बात में मैं क्यों बुरी बनूं, तुम जानो और वह जाने. Then she is telling like, wow, you both that mother and sons talk, why should I become bad, why should I uh, should why should everyone tell me uh, not a good sister-in-law. You and you know, and she knows. Now she is telling mm, uh, um, I will not say anything like that. So Mr. Shamnath चुप रहे. Mr. Shamnath now he was silent. यह मौका बहस का ना था, समस्या का हल ढूंढने का था. Now he is thinking like this occasion was not for the argument. समस्या का हल ढूंढने. हल means the solution. समस्या means problem. ढूंढना means to search. Means it was the time to find out the solution of the problem. उन्होंने घूमकर माँ की कोठरी को और देखा. He turned and he saw towards the कोठरी of the mother. कोठरी का दरवाजा बरामदे में खुलता था. That कोठरी's door used to open towards the बरामदा कॉरिडोर. बरामदे की ओर देखते हुए झट से बोले, एंड ही लुकिंग टू द बरामदा ही टोल्ड, मैंने सोच लिया है, आई हैव थॉट. और उन्हीं कदमों माँ की कोठरी के बाहर जा खड़े हुए. एंड लाइक इन द सेम वे मीन्स जस्ट walking, and he stand up in front of the कोठरी in the room of the माँ. माँ दीवार के साथ एक चौकी पर बैठी दुपट्टे में मुंह से लपेटे माला जप रही थी. एंड द मदर next to the wall एक चौकी is a small stool which is having very low height, and it is also having the four legs. So she was sitting on the चौकी, that small short stool. दुपट्टे में मुंह से लपेटे, and she has wrapped her face and the head. She has wrapped his face and the head in the dupatta. Dupatta means that pallu. Uh, I think everyone knows that what is dupatta. Mala jap rahi thi. She some old people, if you have seen, they are having some garland and different some uh, sand color beads are there, and then one by one they are just uh, they are just passing one by beats one by one. They are speaking one mantra and then one beats they will pass, and another mantra, one another beat. Like this, they are like suppose it is like that, no? So they will be having something like this, and they will do like this. They will do like this. They will pass on this like this. So like she was mala japna means she was speaking the mantra. Japna means to speak, speaking the mantra from the mouth, and she was rolling the garland. सुबह से तैयारी होती देख माँ का दिल भी धड़क रहा था, and since morning she was seeing the preparation and all, so her heart also was little sink, and means she was also thinking something is going on in this house. बेटे के दफ्तर का बड़ा साहब घर पर आ रहा है, सारा काम सुबीते से चल रहा है, मीन्स बेटे के दफ्तर का, दफ्तर मीन्स द ऑफिस, सो हिज माय सन्स ऑफिस, बिग पर्सन इज कमिंग टू होम, so सारा काम सुबीते से चला जाए, so she's just wishing all the work should go smoothly, so सुबीते से means smoothly it should pass. माँ, आज तुम खाना जल्दी खा लेना, मेहमान लोग 7:30 बजे आ जाएंगे. He's telling, माँ, today you finish the food little early. मेहमान means guest लोग 7:30 means 7:30 बजे आ जाएंगे. Guest people will come 7:30. माँ ने धीरे से मुंह से दुपट्टा हटाया और बेटे को देखते हुए कहा, माँ slowly removed dupatta from the mouth, and she is telling, by seeing the son, she is telling, आज मुझे खाना नहीं खाना है बेटा, today I don't want to eat food. तुम तो जानते हो, you know, मांस मछली बने तो मैं कुछ नहीं खाती. If मांस मछली means meat and fish is prepared, if it is cooked, तो मैं कुछ नहीं खाती, then I don't eat anything. जैसे भी हो अपने काम जल्दी से निबट लेना, मीन्स ओके whatever it is, जैसे भी हो whatever it is, अपने काम जल्दी से निपटा लेना. That person is saying you just finish your work. Means he is not worried about whether my mom will eat or not. He is not worried about, but just he is telling. First he told you eat food today early. But then mother is telling, I don't eat food if meat and fishes are cooked in the house. So he's telling, okay, whatever it is, just you finish your work little early. अच्छा बेटा, okay son, like that she is telling. और माँ, हम लोग पहले बैठक में बैठेंगे. So he's telling, and mother, हम लोग पहले बैठक में बैठेंगे. First we people will sit in the we people will sit in the drawing room. उतनी देर तुम यहाँ बरामदे में बैठना. That much time you sit in this corridor. फिर जब हम यहाँ आ जाए, and when we come here, तो तुम गुसल खाने के रास्ते बैठक में चली जाना. गुसल खाना means bathroom. बाथरूम के रास्ते, by the way of washroom, बैठक में चली जाना. So he first when in the time we will be in the बैठक means drawing room, you have to sit here in the veranda, and when we will come here, that time by the way of bathroom you go to बैठक. Like that he is instructing the mother. माँ अवाक बेटे का चेहरा देखने लगी. And surprisingly she is telling the surprisingly she is telling she is seeing the face of the son. फिर धीरे से बोली, and slowly she told, अच्छा बेटा, okay son, like that she is telling. Okay. और माँ, आज जल्दी सो नहीं जाना. And mother, today you don't sleep early. तुम्हारे खर्राटों की आवाज दूर तक आती है, and your snoring sound comes till the distance, like he is telling. माँ लज्जित सी आवाज में बोली, and little shame, feeling shame, she is telling, क्या करूं बेटा, मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. What should I do son? It's not in my control. जब से बीमारी से उठी हूँ, नाक से सांस नहीं ले पाती, and since I have recovered from the disease, means she was having might be some disease. So the time I have recovered from the disease, नाक से सांस नहीं ले सकती. I cannot take the breath through the nose. So she is taking the breath through the mouth. So the snoring sound is coming, like that she is telling. मिस्टर शामनाथ ने इंतजाम तो कर दिया. फिर भी उनकी उधेड़-बुन खत्म नहीं हुई, मीन्स anyhow like he has done the arrangement, फिर भी उनकी उधेड़-बुन खत्म नहीं, but still his problem, उधेड़-बुन, उधेड़ना means बुन means to weave something, and उधेड़ना means to again to reopen the weaving. So means weaving and reopen, weaving, unweaving means his problem was not finished. जो चीफ अचानक इधर आ निकला, तो if suddenly the chief will come here towards the veranda, like that he is confused, means okay, anyhow he has done the arrangement for the mother, but still he is tension, he is in tension if by mistake the chief will come here. 8-10 मेहमान होंगे, some 8 to 10 guests will be there, desi afsar, some the Indian अफसर मीन्स ऑफिसर्स, उनकी स्त्रियां होंगी, देयर वाइफ विल बी देयर, कोई भी गुसल खाने की तरफ जा सकता है, एनीवन कैन गो टुवर्ड्स द वॉशरूम. क्षोभ और क्रोध में वह झुंझलाने लगे, एंड विद द एंगरनेस एंड इन द सैडनेस ही स्टार्टेड टू इरिटेट. एक कुर्सी को उठाकर बरामदे में कोठरी के बाहर रखते हुए बोले, लाइक ही जस्ट लिफ्टेड वन चेयर एंड बरामदे में कोठरी के बाहर, एंड ही जस्ट केप्ट द चेयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कोठरी इन द कॉरिडोर. आओ माँ, इस पर जरा बैठो तो. कम मदर, लिटिल यू सिट ऑन दिस चेयर. माँ माला संभालती, पल्ला ठीक करती हुई उठी और धीरे से कुर्सी पर आकर बैठ गई, एंड शी जस्ट टेकन केयर ऑफ whatever the garland she was having in her hand, that she taken care. पल्ला ठीक करी, and she has just corrected his दुपट्टा, and she got up and धीरे से कुर्सी पर आकर बैठ गई, and slowly she came and she sat on the chair. यूं नहीं माँ, टांगे ऊपर चढ़ाकर नहीं बैठते. Not this way mother, you should not sit on the chair by like by keeping your legs also on the chair, means he is instructing the mother, this is not the proper way of sitting on the chair. यह खाट नहीं है, खाट is a bed which is weaved with the rope. If you have seen, it's like a short half bed. uh, so it's not the cart, means it's not a bed, handmade bed, or that is the old days the people were using those only. It's not a bed, it is not the way of sitting on the chair. So now the mother, माँ ने टांगे नीचे उतार ले, and माँ has kept her legs down on the floor again. So for today, I think this much is enough. Next part I will cover in the part 3. Okay, so okay, so you tell me if it is not clear. Whatever are doubts, you can keep in the comment section, and I'll clarify that. Bye bye.